Firstly, I'd like to say Happy Independence Day. Today we are going to Lavasa, and I'm really sorry that I couldn't upload a video before. I've been really busy and couldn't take the time to go somewhere and actually create a video. Another reason I think is the number of people pretending to be trekkers has increased rapidly, which is not encouraging. So I wasn't trekking that much. So today's ride has a fun backstory. My friend told me that Lavasa has free entry on Independence Day. So that's the main reason we were traveling today there. The road from Chandni Chowk to Pirangut is in a very poor condition. So heads up. So the ride began around 7 am from my house and we were driving for an hour when we stopped at Mutha village for a tea break. After our pit stop, we reached here. This is one of the lesser known spots on the Lavasa route. I was particularly interested in exploring the route from Lavasa towards Tamini or Panchet Dam. Lavasa city is 200 for the bike and 500 for the car. I am not going to pay that. So we are going back to the Mutha village and probably from there to Panchet Warasgaon or Khadakwasla. I sometimes wonder how easily accessible these places are to us. Living here in Pune is simply amazing, and I can't think enough that how can we not turn any of these other mountains into a place like Lavasa. Finally done. The route from NDA towards Warze Malwadi is the worst in Pune, I guess. But we managed it. Finally, we are home. And I'll see you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Subscription is very important, as I've come to know. So please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. I'll see you.